Hi children, today we will discuss about the manufacturing industries. We have to using different kinds of things in our home, schools or our environment. For example, sugar, cloth materials, shoes. These are manufactured by large scale industries. Some things are manufactured by in small scale industries. Some ones made by individuals. It's called the cottage or household industries. What is manufacturing? Productions of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials is called manufacturing. It is two more valuable products. For example, paper is manufactured from wood, sugar from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron ore, aluminum from bauxite. Some type of cloth materials manufactured from yarn. It is industrial products. People employed in the secondary industries manufacture the primary materials into finished goods. The workers employed in steel factories, car and textile industries. Some people are employed in service sectors. The economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries. We shall move on to the next topic of importance of manufacturing. Manufacturing is backbone of industrial development. Manufacturing industries help in modernizing agriculture. It helps to reduce the heavy dependence of people on primary sector by providing job opportunities in secondary and tertiary sector. Export of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce and brings in much needed foreign exchange. Industrial developments is a precondition for eradication of unemployment and poverty level from our country. Manufacturing industries helps in reduction of regional disparities by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Countries that transform raw materials into goods of higher value prosperous. India's prosperity lies in increasing and diversifying its manufacturing. Agriculture and industries are not exclusive of each other. The agro industries in India have given a more encouragement to agriculture by its productivity. The agro-based industries depend on agriculture for raw materials. Manufacturing industries sell their products such as fertilizers, insecticides, irrigation pumps, PVS pipes, machines and tools etc. to the farmers. Our industries need to be more efficient and competitive in the present day globalization because our manufactured goods must be at par in quality with those in the international market. Only then we will able to compete in the international market. India will have to develop its industries if it want to be internationally developed.